Are these mistakes stopping you from getting faster? Today I'll show you 3 common mistakes almost every beginner cuber makes and how to fix them. Many beginners think speed comes from turning faster, so they try to move as quickly as possible. But when you turn too fast, you make more mistakes, lose track of pieces, and often have to stop and fix errors. Focus on accuracy first. Smooth turning is much more important than raw speed. If you can solve the cube smoothly, speed will come naturally later. Another common mistake is using your whole hand for every move. This works at first, but it becomes a huge limitation when you want to get faster. Finger tricks reduce unnecessary movement and make your solves much smoother. Many beginners spend more time searching for pieces than actually solving. Every pause adds extra seconds to your solve. Try to look ahead while solving. Track the next piece before finishing the current one. This skill takes practice, but it's one of the biggest differences between beginners and advanced cubers. Solving once a week won't make you faster. Even 10 minutes a day is better than one long session every few weeks. So, the 3 biggest mistakes are turning too fast, not using finger tricks, looking for pieces too much. Fix these mistakes and you'll improve much faster. Subscribe to KhoCube for more cubing tips, tutorials, reviews and challenges.